So today we will cover two topics. First one is comparison of decimal number and second one is addition and subtraction of decimal number. But before telling you these two topics, let me tell you one thing. See, suppose if the number is 25,895 and you have to write this number in the place value chart. This you all know. You are doing this since 4 class. So how you will write this in place value chart? 5 you will write under ones, then 9 under tens, then 8 under hundreds, then 5 under thousands, then 2 under 10,000, right? This is how you will write a number in the place value chart. Now, if there is a decimal number, suppose the number is 1432.169. Beta, always remember one thing, whenever decimal number is there, so after decimal all the digits you will call separately. Like I said 169, you will also say all the digits separately. You will not call it 169. No, it's wrong. You will call it 169. Now how you will represent this in a decimal in a place value chart? This is whole part. Decimal number is divided into two parts. First one is whole part and second is decimal part. So decimal number is divided into two. First one is whole part and second one is decimal part. The number which is written before decimal is called whole part and the digits after decimal are called decimal part. I am repeating, digits before decimal is the whole number part and the digits after decimal is called decimal part. Clear? Now whole part you will represent as it is, like we have done here. First of all ones, then tens, hundred, thousand. So here 2 will come under ones, 3 will come under tens, 4 will come under hundreds and 1 will come under thousand. Now how you will represent decimal part? After decimal, this is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Now here you will put a decimal which is called decimal point. Now after decimal point, first of all tenths will come. Beta, this is tens, this is tenth. After decimal, the digit will be at th place. Whenever the digit is after decimal, th you have to use at last. So after tenth, hundredth will come. After hundredth, thousandth. Okay. So now this one will come under tenth, then 6 will come under hundredth and 9 will come under thousand. So clear how you will write a decimal number into place value chart? Whole part same as you were doing, and decimal part always start from tenth, then hundredth, thousand, 10,000. Clear? Now how we will compare decimal number? Whenever you have to compare decimal number, first step is to make them like decimal, or you can say make equal decimal places. Now what is decimal place, beta? See, if the number is 482.64 and the next number is 157.8. So decimal place means the digits after decimal. Here decimal place in this number 2 and in this number only one decimal place. So now first step is to make both of them equal. That decimal places must be same. Here also after decimal there are two digits. Here also there must be two digits. But in the question it is only one. So how you will make it two decimal places? By adding 0 at last. Beta, whenever decimal is there and if you are adding 0 at the last, then it has no value. You can add n number of zeros. If you want to add 2 0, you can add. If you want to add 3 zeros, you can add. If you want to delete zeros and if decimal is there at the end, you can do it. So now decimal place is same. Now start comparing from the whole part, that is from the left hand side of both the numbers. So this is 4, this is 1. So directly this number is greater than this number because we all know 4 is greater than 1. Clear? Now one more example I am giving you. Suppose the number is 0.89 and 0.9. You have to tell which number is greater. So first step is to make decimal places equal. Here after decimal there are two digits and here after decimal there is only one digit. So add 0 at last. Now decimal places same. Now start comparing from the whole part. 0 0, so both are same. Now here at the 10th place 8 is written and here 9 is written, and we all know 9 is greater than 8, so this number is greater than this number. Clear? So this way you can easily compare the number and you can also arrange them in ascending or descending order. Now how to add or subtract the decimal numbers? So one I am giving you example. Suppose you have to add 12.25 and 3.6. So again first step is to make decimal places equal. So write here 0. Now 12.25 and 3.60. Beta here nothing is there, so write 0. Now add both of them. 5 8 5 1. So 15.85 is your answer. Clear? In the same way you can subtract also. Suppose you have to subtract 1.645 from 8.75. So first step is to make them like decimal. Here after decimal there is one digit and here 3. So add 2 zeros here. Clear? Now subtract. Carry. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. 6 minus 6 is 0 and 8 minus 1 is 7. So answer is 7.055. So this way you will add or subtract decimal numbers. Okay. Thank you everyone.